Hi, I'm Genevieve. Everybody call me Miss Jen, Auntie Jen, but I prefer if you say Auntie Jen because Miss Jen kind of makes me sound old. And as you can see, I'm very young.
Alright, Auntie Jen, my name is David Bennett, but you can call me Jen.
Okay, Chin. Alright, King told me that you used to work in a bar before. You want to tell me more about it?
I used to work in a bar, run a sea park, run Dandara block. I don't know if you know it.
Yeah, man, King told me, and you're also the help out at the trade. And just relax when you talk, man. And if you be nervous, you seem a little bit nervous.
Yes, I get nervous when I do the interview most of the time, no?
You don't have to be nervous when you're around me, alright? I don't bite. But there's just a few things I need to get clear and just need to know about you while we go through this interview, alright?
Okay, you can ask me anything.
Well, the first thing I want to know, what is the circumstances why you're not at the bar that you were before?
I think King did explain that to you know.
Yes, but I still want to hear from you.
Well, the community getting violent, so they have to close down the bar.
Is that your first bartending job by the Dandadas then?
No, I'm a bartender / waitress. Well, I work with the Royal Caribbean Cruise Ship Company also.
Wow, excellent. That's exactly what I'm looking for. A question, are you still working with them? Because they say you're working, so it seems like you're still working with them.
Yes, I still work with them, but my contract is up now, so I have to renew back my contract.
So what would that mean for this job? Because currently I'm seeking a full-time bartender, and it seems like when your contract is being renewed, you'll just be here for a short period of time.
Okay, well, I'm weighing my mind to go back here, so no, because the ethic out there, 6 months on the water, it's so very hard.
Why is that so hard for you? Is it that you have kids or family that you don't want to stay away from too long?
No, I don't want to be at sea because most of the time I have some nightmares and what I tell them about it.
Well, I would need a definite answer, because you telling me your way in your mind can't really help me right now. I need a definite answer for now if you stay or you go back.
Well, if the salary is good, I will definitely stay.
Well, this is just, I would say, a form of contract, including my work rules, duties and rules. Go through it. It also includes the salary, hours of work. Go through it. See if this is something that you're comfortable with or you're pleased with, because I'm not sure if this is the way the Dandadas them do their stuff. But I just wanted to look at it and go through it in a few and let me know. Well, Davia, what I love about you is that you have experience in working with the tourists. And this, what we are doing here, is not only locally. We are doing this one. We are bringing in the tourists, right? And the fact that you have the experience and the customer service in dealing with tourists, excellent for me.
Well, Auntie Jen, you don't have to worry about that. I do a course in customer service and tourism, so I know how to speak to customer, I know how to treat them well.
Excellent. But what I want you to understand is that working on a cruise ship and dealing with tourists is totally different than working in an inner city bar and dealing with the inner city youths. They come, want trust, beg, I want to touch you when they're not supposed to touch you. You have to know if you deal with them, because it depends on how you react to them. It can lead to different things. And you know what I mean when I say it can lead to different things.
No, this is the Auntie Jen. I see part me used to work, so I know how to deal with them.
Okay, good. Now, is the salary okay for you? And if I would like you to start work within a week, would you be available to do so?
Yes, the salary is good, but I don't have a problem to start working in a week.
Okay, nice. The other thing is that currently I don't have another bartender. It's just my niece that have helping me out in the bar. So she's just helping me out. So by the time I finish here, I have to take over. So in the event that I don't get anybody else to assist you with working week on week off, can you continue working until I get somebody else?
No problem. I will definitely work.
If this is good enough for you, good enough for me.